Hey everyone, welcome to West Coast Muscle Saws. Just want to show you some of the projects going on at the shop today. This one here is a MS362 M-Tronics exhaust, test exhaust, not for any type of wood cutting, mainly for display purposes. And these are available if you give the chainsaw guy a email, see if we can't get you one. And then I've got the display chainsaw here. It's a T540. It's been ported. Got the custom exhaust on it, got the race chain on it. Now I'll fire that up and let you listen to it. And on the other end of the spectrum, we've got the big 395. It's had some port work done to it. It's got the custom exhaust. Timing's changed on it. I'll fire it up and let you listen to it. I do take emails. I answer when I can. I'll give you the email address there. Can't guarantee we'll get you one of these display chainsaws, but give the chainsaw guy an email. We'll see what we can do.